Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to do a squat. First, we begin by standing facing forward with our feet shoulder width apart or wider if necessary. We bring our arms forward for balance as we push our hips back as if we were to take a seat, ensuring that we keep a neutral spine, our chest is lifted, and so is our head. Our knees are not protruding our toes, and the weight is on our heels before we push through the heels back up to starting position. Let's try that one more time. Arms extend forward for balance, push the hips back as we take an imaginary seat, and all the weight is on our heels, not compromising our knees beyond our toes and keeping our spine as neutral as possible before we push through the heels, returning to a starting position. And that is how you do a squat. Thanks for watching.